What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mo. Today we're going to be taking a look at changing the different bulbs for the taillights on a 2005 Honda Civic. Like I said, this is a 2005 Civic here, but it will be the same on a few different years. And I'm going to put the part numbers for the 4 different bulbs we're about to go over in the description box below. The first one we're going to take a look at is the running light and the reverse light that's in the trunk lid. So if we flip our trunk lid up and take a look under here, we're going to see the sockets for those lights here and here. And these ones can be a little tight to get to, especially if you have bigger hands. So you may need to use some pliers for this, but if you can do it with your fingers, that's optimal. So what you want to do is grab the socket, and we're going to turn it to our left or counterclockwise. Rotate it out. And then in order to get the bulb out, that bulb will just pull straight out of there like that. Get it back in, we'll reverse what we just did. Put it in there, and then you'll tighten it up clockwise. And this one's probably the toughest one to get to just because of the access. So this one you definitely may need a pliers for, but you can get your fingers in there and just get it started like that. Same thing, that bulb will pull straight out of there. Okay, so let's take a look at the ones that are in this taillight. In order to get access to these bulbs, we need to pull back this trim right here. There's this fastener right here that takes a flathead screwdriver, and the middle part of it will screw out. And once you get that middle part out, you can just kind of pull it off of here like that. Pull this carpet back enough, and then we're going to see our other bulbs here and here. And it's going to be the same procedure for either of these, and these ones are actually a little easier to get to. Turn it to the left, pull out, bulb will pull straight out. And same for this one. Rotate it out, come, and the bulb pulls straight out. So that's it. It's pretty simple. The hardest one, again, is probably just these ones, just because the access is a little tight. But I'll put the part numbers for these bulbs in the description box below. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.